I mean, is it deja vu or what? Nah, I'm just playing. What's up? What's up? Back at it again. Last time we were doing this was Thanksgiving. And my wise ass self figured, hey, let's go get the bike out of the storage. It's Thanksgiving. They're probably open. We walk all the way down there. We drive all the way down there. We park everything, start walking to get back because you never know parking over there. And guess what, guys? Obviously, it's Thanksgiving. It's closed. So, yeah, no. What are we doing today? Yep. Getting the Batpod back. Can't wait. We're throwing a storm core on it, but we're going to fix it so that we can drive out. We're driving that sucker. Oh. We're not driving that. Oh, yes, we're driving that sucker. I got the keys right here. Oh, boy. Sawyer's coming by. He's going to help put on the storm core. And he's going to help program it. Oh, man. Exciting times, man. Whew. Alright, we'll be back. Waking from a dream, reality it seems. My China dreams. Kilowatt levels, yes, a quarter of a Tesla. Tuning a motor with a cup of that coffee. Should I run that BLDC or that FOC? That flux cap charged up, I see. Ion dripping plug ready for ignition key. Headlights on, unknown where the destination be. My motor so hot, got it smoking. Computer dang yet overheating. We just switched the battery that got low. Yeah, you know I'm packing about 3 more. Molly cell P, yep, 2-4. 100 amps, that's just nothing though. Double EC, yeah, controller though. Double speed, controller bro. Oh boy, I gotta work on this thing, man. Well, she works. After a little scare when we crashed her, I decided to put it back slower till I learn how to ride it again. Since I've been riding the Venom. But she wasn't too hard. Get back running again. So let's do this. We're gonna do some beautification on the
So, I guess the secret everybody wants to know, how do you make your bike, scooter, whatever, faster? Well, I'm going to tell you this. It's never going to be one part unless you have spent, I would say, $4,500 on a bike. And even then, sometimes it's still not going to be one part. You need to start with the battery. Just start with the battery. The one you have on your bike, it's not going to cut it. Factory, not going to cut it. Either you got to upgrade your battery, so that way you know how much amps you can pull out of it. Start with your battery. From the battery, you do a controller and motor upgrade. You buy the controller and the motor at the same time, if possibly from the same seller. If not, you buy the motor, you buy a controller, you have to match it up yourself. That means that it's not going to be yellow to yellow, green to green, blue to blue every time. You might have to flip some of that stuff. You might have to flip the blue and the yellow around. And the same thing on the hall sensor, so you might have to rewire that. Just know when you want to upgrade, it's not always going to be plug and play. It's not hard, but so I recommend you change the 3 components. You change the computer, you change the battery, and you change the motor all at the same time. Just do a complete build. I don't recommend buying a kit. I recommend doing your research, finding the most powerful motor you can for your application, computer. It's better to buy a more powerful computer than you need and program it to less. Trust me. That's it. Everything else is optional. Brake lights, turn signals, all that stuff is going to come in after you get the basics, which is making it go. Connect the battery and making it go. Throttle, brakes, and making it go. Everything else comes later. So now we're just beautifying some of this connections here. I can't, it's do it yourself, so it's not going to be perfect, but gotta protect some of them a little bit, clean it up, get the show on the road, man. Good to be back, man.
Who is that Batpod Kadeem? Yeah. Who is this guy named Batpod Kadeem? Huh? Who is he with that crazy thing? Huh? Who is that Batpod Kadeem? Yeah. Who is this guy named Batpod Kadeem? Huh?